guys, welcome to Math with Esomnofu. In this tutorial, we are going to solve this problem we have on the board, which says 25 power x minus 8 into 5 power x is equal to minus 16. Our goal here is to find the value of x. Okay, remember, we can write 25 to be 5 squared. That's 5 times 5. So if we replace 25 to be 5 squared, then raised to power x, then we write everything we have on the board, minus 8 into 5 power x is equal to minus 16. Okay? Then when we have this, remember one thing in exponents, that whenever you have something like a to the power of m raised to power n is the same thing as a to the power of n raised to power m. Okay? It's still the same. You can interchange because multiplication is commutative. So apply this rule here. So write it as 5 power x all squared, bringing the 2 outside, minus 8 into 5 power x is minus 16. Okay? So since we have this, we can now redefine. So I can just say that let b be equal to 5 power x. Okay? Let b be 5 power x. So I'm going to plug b wherever I see 5 power x. So it will be like this. I will now have something like b squared, because 5 power x is b, minus 8b is equal to minus 16. Then the next thing I have to do is just to minus 16, because this is clearly a quadratic function. So you can now see I have it that b squared minus 8b plus 16 is equals to 0, because I added 16 to both sides. Okay, now is to factorize. To factorize this quadratic equation, it is very simple. We are going to think of two numbers that when we multiply them together, we get a positive 16. But if we add them together, we get a negative 8. So we are going to open two brackets and equate it to what? 0. So we put our variable b and b in both sides. You see clearly that the numbers that we are going to use is minus 4 times minus 4 is basically plus 16. And minus 4 plus minus 4 is minus 8. So on this is simple. That means when in quadratic, when two terms multiplies to give 0, we can simply equate each term to 0. That means b minus 4 is 0. Or we say that b minus 4 is equal to 0. This is just repeated rule. So we have it that b is equals to 4. Okay? Recall, since we got that b is 4, we'll remember that we define b to be 5 power x. So we now write it as 5 power x is equal to 4. Okay? Then for us to find the value of x, we'll now take the logarithm of both sides. Reason is that 5 and 4 cannot be expressed in common base. So if you take the logarithm, that means log 5 power x is equals to log 4. The reason we did that is that from the laws of logarithm, the x can simply multiply the log. This gives us that x log 5 is equal to log 4. Okay? So we got x log 5 is log 4. To get the value of x, we divide by log 5 and divide through by log 5. If we divide by log 5, x is equals to log 4 over log 5. Now we use change of base. That means in a common base, x is equals to log of base 5 of 4. And this is the required solution for what? X. That means the actual solution is that x is log 5, log of base 5 of 4. If this video is educative, please like and share for more content like this. See you in my next episode. Bye.